Hey everyone, welcome to Excel Insider. Today we will learn how to analyze Likert scale data in Microsoft Excel 365. A Likert scale measures satisfaction levels and helps turn feedback into countable data. In this tutorial, we are working with the customer feedback data, and our goal is to summarize the data using COUNTIF and SUM functions and make a chart with the results. COUNTIF function counts the number of cells within a range that meets a condition, and SUM function adds all the numbers in a range of cells. Let's get started. First, we need to count all the feedback from the dataset. Let's begin with the unsatisfied responses for the food quality. In cell B13, or any cell of your choice, type this formula. Let me break it down. In the COUNTIF function, the first argument from cell B2 to B11 is the range that represents the food quality column, containing all the survey responses. The second argument, cell A13, contains the specific category we are checking for, in this case, unsatisfied. In the formula field, if you have noticed, the dollar signs before row numbers, these are used to keep the range fixed when the formula is copied to other cells. The function then counts how many cells from cell B2 to B11 matches the text in cell A13, giving the number of people who selected unsatisfied for food quality. With that explained, press enter. Copy the formula by pulling down the fill handle from cell B13 to B15. Then drag the fill handle again from B15 to E15. This applies the formula to all the categories. Finally, let's get the total responses per category. In any empty cell of your choice, like cell B16, type this formula equals sum. Select the range from cell B13 to B15 and close the bracket. The function simply adds up all the values in that range. Press enter. Then drag the fill handle from cell B16 to E16. And just like that, we have all the counts. With that done, let's convert these raw counts into percentages. In any empty cell, like B18, type this short formula equals cell B13 divided by cell B16. In the formula, make sure to add a dollar sign before 16. Let's understand what's going on. In this formula, cell B13 is the number of responses for a category. Then it's divided by cell B16, which is the total number of responses. We have also added a dollar sign, which keeps row 16 fixed when copying the formula. Press enter. This gives us the percentage of the response compared to the total. Then click on cell B18 and pull down the fill handle from B18 to B20 to copy the formula. Then pull the fill handle horizontally from cell B20 to E20. This applies the formula to all the categories. Now let's verify if the percentages add up to 100%. I'll go for cell B21, but any empty cell works. In the cell, type this formula equals sum. Select the range from cell B18 to B20. Close the bracket. This will sum up all the values from cell B18 to B20. Press enter. Select cell B21 and drag the fill handle horizontally till E21. Now let's turn this number into percentages. To do that, select the cells from cell B18 to E21. Head to the Home tab. In Numbers section, select the percentage icon. As you can see here, this shows that all the totals are 100%. Now that the data is calculated, let's build a clean report. Select the cells from cell A1 to E1. Then press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Next, in any helper cell of your choice, like cell G1, right-click, under Paste Options, select Transpose. This copies and changes the layout. After that, rename cell G1 to Customer Feedback. Next, let's bring over the percentage data. Select the range containing the percentages. In this case, from cell A18 to E20. Press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy. Then select cell H1 or any empty cell, right-click, and click on Paste Special. This opens up Paste Special dialog box. Under Paste, select Values, Under Operation, check on Transpose checkbox, then click OK. The report is now ready. Finally, let's visualize this report with a chart. Select the report from cell G1 to J5. Then head to the Insert tab. In the Charts section, select Recommended Charts. This opens up Insert Chart dialog box. Select All Charts tab. Select Column. On the left-hand side, select Clustered Column, and then click OK. Move the chart to your preferred position, and there we have it. The customer feedback is now summarized with counts, percentages, and a clear chart. And that's a wrap. Download the workbook link below. Visit excelinsider.com for more Excel and Google Sheet tutorials. Feel free to leave your questions or feedback in the comments. Thanks for watching.